Primetime news this evening. The changing of command. New police commissioner pledges to continue transformation of the GCF. Haitians losing hope as gangs try to expand control. And later, concerns that stray animals are taking control of Clarendon community.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. A special welcome to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green.
And I'm Janella Precious with a preview of what's to come in business news. Here's Andrea Chisholm.
Janella from... Okay, this is me. I'm on. Right. From February last year, Janella, to February this year, food prices went up by 7%. I'll have that and more in the business day.
All right, thank you, Andrea. And from Andrea, we go to Jordan Fort. He has the preview of what's to come in sports. Jordan?
Well, Herman, as we know, it's just over 12 hours now to the start of the Issa Grace Kennedy Boys and Girls Championships. Of course, we're going to have wall-to-wall coverage for you right here, right across all our platforms. And I'll give you a preview of the readiness of the organizers for Champs 2024, as well as is there going to be any fallout from the vice president of the JFF challenging the president for the top post this past weekend? That and more in Primetime Sports Monday.
Sounds exciting. And Romain is also here with a preview of the weather report and forecast.
Thanks, Janella. Not much is exciting in the weather report and forecast. We have a few isolated showers that are expected across sections of the west, and we do have winds dying down, but no significant activity otherwise.
All right, I like when the weather is not too exciting. There's also sports commentary and E-Prime in this newscast. But before the break, here's our feedback question.
And this evening we're asking, what areas do you think the new commissioner should focus on in his first year?
Now you can share your comments online. That's facebook.com/televisionjamaica or on X at TVJ News Center.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.